Hi guys, welcome to Exotic Cooking. We are making a dessert called deiwala. Deiwala is a dessert made out of yogurt, hence it gets its name deiwala, which is yogurt based. It's made with flour, cardamom powder, a little bit of salt, some Crisco shortening. All that is bound together with yogurt. This is then fried and it's dipped in syrup made out of saffron threads and rose flavoring. So let's get started. Take a bite and see how it turned out. Gonna have some syrup. That's the aroma in that syrup. It's really, I think you could even just use it as a room freshener. Oh my god, I can't even describe it. That tang from the yogurt. I can totally feel it. It's kind of like buttermilk, and it's like really soft, velvety. And I love the crunch from the nuts and that aroma from the syrup. It's so floral. It's like I'm eating roses. So for my coffee, I have this Africafe instant coffee from Tanzania. You get it on Amazon too. It's delicious. I just add about half a teaspoon. You can add more if you like it stronger, and some hot water, and about a quarter teaspoon of cardamom powder. This will settle at the bottom in a minute or so, but you can strain it out too. Yeah, I can taste that cardamom in it. You can totally taste the Arabic culture in this, you know. So growing up in East Africa, there was a lot of Arabic culture kind of flowed through the island called Zanzibar due to the spices, and cardamom was one of the spices. So basically this was like sprinkled everywhere in milk tea and coffee and, you know, dessert, which kind of led us to creating great recipes. So I'm really happy that I can share these with you. So if you guys like my recipes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So until next time, see you.